That sound? That's the sound of your current RV, solar, or boat battery giving up on you. Again. But what if I told you that the cycle of constant charging, replacing, and worrying is about to end? The next generation of deep cycle batteries arriving in 2026 isn't just an incremental update, it's a revolution in energy storage. We're looking at batteries with 10-year warranties, charge times cut in half, and energy densities that were pure science fiction just 5 years ago. In this exclusive preview, we're breaking down the top 5 models that will power your adventures in your home for the next decade. Let's plug in. Number 1. NOCO Lithium NLX31, 12V LiFePO4 Lithium Battery. A dual-purpose lithium battery is engineered to provide the remarkable starting power characteristic of a traditional starter battery while also offering the extensive deep cycle capacity typical of advanced lithium technologies. This innovative battery design outperforms conventional lead-acid batteries not only in terms of weight but also in power output, charging speed, and overall longevity. Unmatched starting performance, this battery is capable of delivering an impressive 1,600 amps of peak current, which is double the peak current provided by standard lead-acid batteries. This exceptional capacity enables effortless starting in a wide array of environmental conditions, ensuring that your vehicle or equipment starts reliably. With 200 amps of continuous power, this battery stands out as one of the most potent starter batteries available on the market. Number 2. 12V100 LiFePO4 Lithium Battery. At Super Empower, we design and build energy storage solutions in the U.S., delivering safe, reliable LiFePO4 deep cycle battery power for RV, marine, trolling motor, and solar applications. Our solutions feature advanced BMS protection and proven performance across home backup, outdoor adventures, and commercial projects. With 40+ sales reps, multiple locations, and 100+ successful deployments, we've earned the trust of leading organizations across industries. Exceptional deep cycle performance. The 12V100 LiFePO4 lithium battery from Super Empower uses grade A+ cells, delivers superior deep cycle performance, higher energy density, and stable voltage. UL, FCC, and UN 38.3 certified for safety, it provides 5,000+ cycles at 100% DOD, 6,000 at 80%, 15,000 at 60%, far outperforming lead-acid batteries. Perfect for RV, marine, boat, solar, trolling motor, and power station use. It includes a built-in BMS and maintains charge with only 1 to 2% self-discharge per month. Drop-in replacement for lead-acid batteries. Dimensions: 10.2 inches by 5.2 inches by 9.0 inches, weight 18.95 pounds. With a BCI Group 24 size and M8 terminals, it fits seamlessly into most standard battery boxes without modifications. The 12V100 LiFePO4 lithium battery from Super Empower is a true drop-in replacement for traditional lead-acid, AGM, or SLA batteries, making it ideal for RV, boat, or solar applications. Simply install and enjoy a longer-lasting, more efficient power source. Power for RVs and marine. The Advanced Battery Management System, BMS, ensures optimal performance, offering triple protection against dust, water, and salt spray, along with safeguards from overcharging, overdischarging, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. A low-temperature cutoff keeps the LiFePO4 lithium battery safe in cold weather, extending lifespan. Ideal for 12V100 deep cycle applications such as RVs, marine boats, trolling motors, and solar power systems, it provides dependable energy wherever you need it. Number 3. LiTime 36V100 OBM Bluetooth. Officially ABYC certified for outboard motors, the LiTime 36V100 electric outboard motor battery is a cutting-edge solution designed to deliver exceptional performance on the water. It provides a robust 500 A surge current, ensuring that your outboard motor receives the energy it needs for powerful starts and reliable operation. With a discharge capability of 1.2 C, this battery ensures efficient energy utilization during demanding situations, making it suitable for a variety of marine applications. Additionally, it features auto-recovery overload protection, which automatically restores normal functioning after an overload condition, enhancing safety and extending battery life. This battery is fully compatible with leading brands such as Torqeedo, ePropulsion, and Yamaha, allowing for seamless integration with your existing outboard motors. The smart Bluetooth monitoring system equipped in the LiTime battery utilizes Bluetooth 5.0 technology, providing real-time monitoring of the battery's status. This innovative feature allows users to track parameters such as charge level, performance metrics, and overall health, ensuring you are always informed about your battery's condition. Number 4. 12V100Ah LiFePO4 Lithium Battery. 12V lithium batteries utilize high-performance grade A+ LiFePO4, lithium iron phosphate, batteries, which are known for their elevated energy density and stable performance characteristics. This technology enables users to enjoy a longer lifespan for their batteries, with up to 15,000 deep cycles available. This durability significantly decreases the expenses associated with frequent battery replacements, with a minimal usage cost estimated at just 4 cents per day. Furthermore, these batteries are integrated with an intelligent low-temperature protection system. Number 5. 48V150Ah Lithium Golf Cart Battery. The 48V150Ah Golf Cart LiFePO4 battery is a state-of-the-art product designed for optimal performance and durability. Constructed from grade A prismatic LiFePO4 cells, this battery offers a compact energy storage solution with a total capacity of 5.37 kWh. This capacity can be compared to using 4 12V100Ah LiFePO4 batteries connected in a 4S configuration or even 8 12V100Ah AGM batteries in an 8S setup, making it a highly efficient alternative to traditional lead-acid solutions. Boasting a maximum power output of 10.24 kilowatts, this battery is engineered to deliver consistent performance with a remarkably low self-discharge rate and minimal capacity loss over time. The continuous discharge current can reach up to 200 A, with a peak performance of 400 A for 35 seconds and 600 A for 3 seconds, indicating that this battery is 50% more powerful than other lithium batteries of similar size on the market. And that's the incredible future of power. It's clear that reliable, long-lasting energy is about to become the new standard. If you're planning an off-grid system, a van build, or just want the best for your boat, all the direct pre-order links, technical spec sheets, and manufacturer details are neatly organized for you in the video description below. If this glimpse into the future of power got you as excited as it got me, please smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with your DIY crew or anyone planning an energy project, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. We're your source for what's next. Thanks for watching. Stay powered!